What's going on, everyone? This is Kevin Breeze here, coming at you with my unboxing and first impressions video of the Umidigi F1. So this device was recently released and is currently on sale for $219.99. Now I'd like to give a shout out to TechRight. He actually picked up this device and we're working together right now on a bunch of different content. So he was kind enough to let me do a video on his Umidigi F1. So check out his channel if you haven't been on there yet. So he's actually already opened this up. I just put everything back in the box and I wanted to give you kind of my take on the device. So the packaging here is pretty interesting. We have this little sleeve on the side here that says Umidigi right there front and center. Now taking that sleeve off, we have the main box with another Umidigi logo. And on the back side, we have some specifications about the device, but we'll be touching on that later. Now lifting off the top here, we have the device, of course, right here. We're gonna put this off to the side. Then we have a little packet here that says Umidigi on it. We'll open this up and see what's inside of this. We have a SIM card removal tool. And we have a little bit of literature about the Umidigi F1. Then inside of the box, we have a few other items. So we have a USB Type-C cord that's used for charging and data transfer. And we also have this Umidigi branded wall adapter which has European plugs on it, but included in the box is an American adapter. So this phone actually came from an older Amazon listing, and since then a new listing has come out. And the reason why that's important is because I'm pretty sure now with the current Amazon listing, you don't get this European wall adapter and you actually get an American wall adapter, at least on Amazon in the United States. But regardless of whether you get the United States version of the adapter or you get this adapter with the extra adapter with North American wall plugs, you're going to be good to go. So the Umidigi F1 seriously packs some amazing specs for its price tag of $219.99. This device is factory unlocked and will work with any GSM carrier, which means that in the United States, this is going to work with T-Mobile, AT&T, Cricket, and Metro by T-Mobile. Now I know for a fact that this device works really well with Metro by T-Mobile, and you're going to get 4G speeds with no problem with this device. Now this version of the Umidigi F1, of course, is the black model, but you can also get this in gold and red. The display is a 1080p display coming in at 6.3 inches. Now this display features a pixel density of 409 ppi and features a 19.5 by 9 ratio. So it's a pretty tall display, but that's a really good thing. And taking a close look at the display itself, it's just really bright, has awesome colors, and overall just looks super clear. On the top here, we have a teardrop notch with a 16 megapixel front-facing camera. Then on the back side, we have another 16 megapixel camera and an 8 megapixel secondary camera. Under the hood, we have 128 gigabytes of internal storage with the ability to expand that with a micro SD card. So that's a ton of storage. That's really amazing. The device features 4 gigabytes of RAM, and the processor is the MediaTek Helio P60 processor. So what all this means is that you're going to get superb performance with this device, and of course, it's not going to necessarily compare to some of the most expensive and higher end devices on the market, such as the Galaxy Note 9, Samsung Galaxy S9, or even the iPhone XS. But at the same time, this device is one of the best values, at least as far as the specifications go, in its price range. Another great feature of the Umidigi F1 is its battery. This device contains a massive 5,150 mAh internal battery, which means that you're going to get awesome battery life and easily have enough juice to get you through an entire day and a half. Out of the box, the Umidigi F1 runs Android 9 Pie, and the experience here is essentially stock Android. Umidigi pre-installed a couple of applications that are different from stock Android, but really not much. So again, on the front side here, we have the massive 6.3 inch 1080p display. We have the front-facing camera up here with the teardrop notch featuring 16 megapixels. We also have a small earpiece here on the top. On the back side, we have the fingerprint sensor, and we have the dual cameras with 16 and 8 megapixels. We also have the flash in the middle. On the right side, we have the volume rocker and the power button. On the left side, we have nothing except for the door for the SIM card and micro SD card. On the top, we have the noise-canceling microphone. And on the bottom, we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, the USB Type-C port, the microphone, and the speaker. So as I mentioned before, the Umidigi F1 is available for $219.99. Now it's definitely possible that since the time of me making this video, the price for this device has gone down. So I definitely recommend you take a look at the link in the video description, as that's my Amazon affiliate link, and over there you can see the current pricing for this device, and if you want to buy it, you can buy it there as well. but I'm really excited to do a variety of different videos about the Umidigi F1, so definitely stick around, make sure to sub to the channel, and I'll see you in future videos about this device, including comparisons and the full review. But thank you again for watching. This is Kevin Breeze here, and I'll see you in the next video.